Hello there, everyone. Crypto Elite is here. So in this live stream, we are discussing probable scenarios in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and we are going to discuss about SPX 500 and dollar index. So let's begin. Let's jump into the live stream here. So waiting for some more guys to join the live. So let's see how much people are going to join it. Okay. So just start the stream. We're just waiting for more people to join it. Just waiting. Okay, it's time to start now. So let's start it. I think start it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's start it. So we are discussing probable scenarios in Bitcoin, and let's see how Bitcoin will move further. And let's jump into the charts. So if you watch the thumbnail, I have discussing the thing that Bitcoin could go at least at $64,000 because majority amount of liquidity stands there. If I have to show you, so here I will show you. I closed the Solana trade, but that trade was actually good, but I closed it because I have already 2 trades open, and I think that's why if the 3 of them in loss and 3 of them in long positions, so if I am in loss, so I will have to, my liquidation would be too close. Then I'm gonna imagine, because I'm still in loss in Bitcoin at 80%, in 80% loss in Bitcoin. Still I'm holding because funding rates are positive and possible bounce from this area. If we close 59,000 dollar or below that, I will definitely going to take my stop. Before that, I'm not going to take. My first TP would be 64,500 and second would be $66,000, and third would be almost $69,000 if market allows, and if not, then I'm going to trail my stop loss at break even or 20% of my profit. So that's the thing I've discussed with you. Still, the bullish thing is that funding rates is negative. And let's see liquidations throughout the market. I came live today only because I have something work after that, so I've come early today. So just jumping through out the liquidations in the market. What the thing is happened here? Then okay, there's a good candle in dollars. We have wrecked almost 61,700. What's the current Bitcoin price? Let's see. Okay, 61,700. So that's the area. Okay, Bitcoin is bouncing at this area. Bitcoin is bouncing at this area. Okay. My charts has been loaded. Okay, this is the chart. This is the chart I have prepared. And one message. Bitcoin surges 1% in 1 minute. That's the message. So Bitcoin has gone this area. This area would be good, deciding area, and this is looking a small inverse eventual pattern in a small time frame into 1 hour time frame like this. If we break, we would claim this area. I'm going with break even because the recent news on Bitcoin is not that bullish. If I open my Twitter, if I have to show you, recent news is not as bullish as was before a few days. So let's see. Here's my account. Okay. Okay. Give me 1 second. That's the tweet I posted. Somebody is posting some news, so I used to give them credit, and this post has been credited to them. So let's see. The July month is painful for Bitcoin. Could be painful for the Bitcoin because Mad Gox, the FUD of Mad Gox. If you can see here, give me 1 second, guys. Give me just 1 second. I just opening my Twitter. I will explain you this thread. Opening this thread. Okay. Okay, sorry for disturbance on background. So there is a huge volatility is coming in the upcoming month. If you think the worst is over in Bitcoin, then you will need to read this thread. So Bitcoin options worth of 6.5 billions are going to be expire on 28th June. The max pain could be $58,000, but before that, I think we will bounce back at least at $64,000 or 63,500 or $63,800, at least for that. And this time the options expiry is huge because the weekly and quarterly expiry. So the 6 months options has to be expired at 28th June because we are half of this year, and the quarterly option expiry could happen, could impact the market. And he's just saying that don't trade with high leverage, and I also agreed that point, that you don't have to trade with a very high leverage in these situations, and that's the thing. And another thing, this page has mentioned that you can see here. Give me 1 second. The Mad Gox trade. Mad Gox trade. They are already moved $9.6 billion of Bitcoin. Mad Gox. If you know Mad Gox is a Mad Gox have Mad Gox has a exchange at 2014 2015, from the starting beginning of the Bitcoin, where many users has lost their funds because they don't manage properly for that reason. So Madgox has now sorry for this, guys. Madgox has moved their bitcoins from cold wallets to refund their money through exchanges to the users. They lost their Bitcoin, and the early investors are now millionaires, so definitely they're going to sell this out now. So the selling pressure could really high in July until we get Ethereum ETF news. Simultaneously, Ethereum ETF is gonna live on July in an upcoming month, in upcoming week. So that's the good news for the market. But Mad Dog selling pressure could be there. Mad Dog selling pressure could be there, and the future repayments. There's the bill they passed for users. So there's the thing, and the at that time on 1st February 2014, one BTC cost $830, and now it's 75 times higher. Extreme fear, rational outflowing Bitcoin, so like investors will start selling which repays, MacBooks repays will be stimulate 58 Steam to return. Okay, so this could further go down to sell for also for FTX. FTX also can repay to their customers. That's the thing. Sorry for disturbance because there is too much disturbance in my language. So sorry for, because I'm not regular in live stream. So please adjust it for a while. It's okay. That's the news from Bitcoin dumping throughout the waterfall pattern. If you can see here, Bitcoin has fallen like a waterfall right here. So now it's looks quite good right now, and I will show you my position. By the way, I've told you on that stream that I'm going to short Bitcoin at $64,000, and some people don't like that things. So some people says that it's you're gonna wreck your capital, but looking at the volume at Saturday Sunday where it's not looking good, that's why I shorted Bitcoin at that area, and then I have a massive return right now. But I closed that at $61,000, and I open sorry, $63,000. I closed that and open a long from there. So I'm in currently in long of $63,000, from $63,000 in Bitcoin. So let's see how we will go with the long. Sorry, come on. Okay. So currently Bitcoin has a pattern called inverse head and shoulder in it. So if you can see closely here, right here, that this looks like a inverse head and shoulder in a smaller time frame, not talking in a bigger time frame, but in a smaller time frame. Here you can see a clear head and inverse head and shoulder pattern. If we breaks above this area, we will go like this, almost up to $63,700 could be the good area. So let's see how we move further. Okay. And the next thing is talking about Solana. So Solana is looking good. I've I've exited that long, and I still have the regret that why I exited, because it's not closed at daily below this area, and I've still closed that. But it's okay. It's a trading. You have to take some tough decisions to stay in the market. If I don't close and it's go all around down, then if maybe I get liquidated. So it's okay. The opportunities are too much, so I'm not scared of that. I missed the opportunity, or I don't have any FOMO right now. But let's see. It's a market. I will get millions of opportunities further, so I don't panic it now. Maybe we get here and I will short here with this stop loss, and I will recover all my money. But I'm not currently going to short because too much short has open in this market, and I'm not thinking about that BTC will drop his strength until $67,000 to wreck the all short sellers, because the short is too costly right now. If I short, I get a funding fee of almost $200 to $200 to $100. That's too much fee. If I long there, I have plus $8 plus $3. That kind of stuff is going in the market. So let's see, how it goes. And let's talk about dollar index. So I posted one tweet. Again, I will show you the my goodness, sorry. Okay, there's a tweet. I've simultaneously updating you on my Twitter account, so make sure you join my Twitter to get daily updates. So let me show you the tweet that I posted. Yeah. Okay, so here is the tweet. I think that's here is the tweet. The dollars index at 105.568, and almost here, almost at least almost here, I think. And then it's a drop below some kind of almost 1% or 0.18%. So that's the thing. I think so. It's a daily time frame. So I still think daily a 4 hours time frame. So I'm still thinking that dollar index will I mentioned you here that dollar index going to take a reversal, and that's going to be healthy for the market. And that's the thing happening here right now. So let me erase that things. Okay, so here is the area I mentioned. Here is the weeks where get, and I think we will get continue like this. So we will move in this channel or break below or break upper. Let's see, because we break upper like here, but not in daily time frame, I think. Okay, we have. So maybe one thing is, so one thing I'm seeing right now is, look at this, like this could be the dangerous for the market. Let me erase. That could be dangerous for the market, because one thing I'm looking at, the dollar is getting bullish and getting a retest or fake out. If this candle close below this area, we will easily go at 104. So if this is a fake out, so this is going to be bullish in the market. So we look like this, continue the downtrend, but I'm not thinking that much big right here. So let's check USDT dominance. Okay, USDT dominance actually break the area of this area, and there's too much wick side here. I think this line has no need. So USDT dominance is resistance, so it may fall like this. So if USDT dominance fall from this area, this is going to be bullish. This is going to be bullish for the market, because it's take simultaneous rejection, and this is a rejection area, and we have also tested the EMA 200 EMA support right here. So we are expecting to get reversal in Bitcoin and altcoins. Altcoins are not bleeded that much. This BTC has bleeded, so things in control for alts, but not for BTC. Solana has oversold. I beg you to buy Solana. I beg you to buy Solana now at this price 130. If you get again at 130, if BTC makes any bad move further, so if you get at 130, buy again at $115. Buy if Solana crashes up to $100, so you just buy Solana at $100 and you will see what Solana is going to perform in upcoming bull run. If Solana at $100 means you are buying a product of 800 to 900 or $1,000 product at $100, almost 10x you can get it in Solana. And BTC dominance has tested the level, tested the resistance after almost after almost May we are retesting this one. So hopefully we will continue to crash within this resistance, and we will go like bottom right here. So that could be the good thing, or it's not, or not going to be good if BTC dominance or USDT dominance going to perform well. So that's the thing of concern for now. Let's see different altcoins. Let's see altcoins. Arbitrium is also on a very cheap note. If you don't have any Arbitrium in your bags, this is a good area to buy. Or if you have to wait, you have to wait, so you can buy at 73 cents. Again, this is a good area, 73 cents, or you don't believe in that, so if you don't want to trap, so you can buy above 87 with a retest and with a stop order of 73. That's the thing in Arbitrium, because Arbitrium is going to outperform many of altcoins in further. I think is going to be next Internet Computer Protocol. If you watched ICP to grow ICP or LDO or TIA, this is going to be the next TIA. I believe in Arbitrium. I just believe in Arbitrium. So Arbitrium could be the next TIA. And next altcoin we'll see, next meme coin I'm watching for is Pepe, because Pepe is looking very strong, very strong price action is happening in Pepe. So Pepe has recovered 100% from the BTC drop, and Pepe could reach higher and higher if Pepe breaks this important resistance right here. I think this is an important resistance for Pepe to break. Almost this, we can take it. So almost this, if Pepe breaks this one, so it's going to be bullish in Pepe and meme coins, because Pepe, I've holded Pepe for too long. I have very early invested in Pepe, where people are saying that it will never outperform Doge or Shiba. So I'm there with Pepe, and I buy Pepe at that time. So I'm very bullish in Pepe. And another altcoin I will look. Another meme coin, WIF, is still good. WIF also bouncing very good, very good momentum. So WIF could be the another good coin. Yeah, talking about Ethereum, the main thing of Ethereum bouncing back towards my box, and this box could be the decider of Ethereum, because whenever we will break this box, we are going to break this box right here, we are going to see a good parabolic move of $400 to $500 upward. So let's see how it will go. Not is also bouncing really good at this area. One second. Now is actually making the bullish flag pattern. I thought not is making a bullish flag pattern, but it's not. It failed here. But let's see. Not at resist. Not as this resistance. Not coin has this resistance of around this area. Okay. Not has resistance about around this area. If we break, if not coin is going to break this resistance, is going to bleed very hard. But I'm not thinking right now it's going to break, because if it's going to break, then the BTC should get lower above 50 below $58,000. We need BTC to dump hard, then only we can see that Notcoin could also go below this area. Is a good support for Notcoin. And next one, Athena. I bought Athena at very high price, and now I'm adding more Athena at current price. I'm going to add in front of you guys. I think I'm adding $100 of Athena right now in front of you. So let me just buy it. I will show in my camera. I will show you in my camera. So stay tuned. So I've just added $100 of Athena in my wallet. My average price. Let me check my average price. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll show you. So okay, I just buy Athena. Okay, here you can see I just bought Athena. Now I first I will open my front camera. Okay, now you can see it clearly. Okay, here I first time buy that 170. So here I buy that $27 for 30 Athena because their price at almost 92 cents. At that time their price was 92 cents and now it's at 55, so my average buying would be 60 cents. Right here you can see here, and an all-time loss at $20. So that's the thing. So that's the thing. And okay, I bought Athena at live. I bought Athena at live. You can see. Next, I have currently $250 right now to buy the dip, but I'm short of dollars right now. I don't have any much. I don't have any much. Sorry. I don't have much dollars to buy more this dip, so just buying some more altcoins. Okay, I buy Solana at 121. I think I bought Solana at 121 right here around $25 because I want to invest in high profitable assets. So that's why I just don't go to out for Solana because I get profit. If I invest in another project, my $20 and can turn up to $100 or $120. But in Solana, that could be only I think that could be only 100 or 20, 10 to $12 profit in Solana if I invest it. So Solana has taken your trend value support right here. If Solana breaks this area first, that could be pushed further at 149, and if we break this also, then we will go further at 160. So that's the thing. And let's see another things. Total market cap. I've posted that day the total market cap in the danger area. You can see this area is danger for total market cap. We use so if you can look closely here, that we take the support of 200 EMA, and at here we did a wick at this box. You can say at this box. So I'm not going to mess it around. So at this box we wait a wick and then we bounce back towards upward. For now I'm not seeing any trade. Let me check Ton and Ondo. Okay. Ton is too bullish guys. Ton has just break this level, I think. I think Ton has just break this level. be resistance for Thorn in general. Resistance for the Thorn. I think there's a resistance for the Thorn, and Thorn has open, so Thorn will go like at least for this area, at least for this area. So I'm not looking in Tron right now. Bitcoin, if we Bitcoin right here, so Bitcoin is also pulled backing very well, and I think we will see a V-shaped recovery like this. If we fall like this, and V-shape could be this one. This could be the V-shaped recovery at the straight line. So looking at that V-shaped recovery in Bitcoin, probably going further. So let's see Bitcoin dominance. Let's see Bitcoin dominance. I've mentioned that Bitcoin dominance has to go like this area, because this area is the resistance. Again, the EMA support for the Bitcoin dominance right here. So we will crash, but we'll crash like this, I think, at least for this area in BTC dominance. So that's the things. Looking to grab some trades here, but not getting some more because they are already pumped right now. So let's see what we get it. CSD. Let's see which of the coins are pumping right now currently. I tried to purchase a mic that I'm getting good quality, so I've just ordered and it will come in few days. So the audio quality should be improved within the few days. So I just bought it for live stream. So let's see when it's going to come. It will take at least 1 or half week. QNA, Solana, WIF, Stark. So another project I need to add in front of you guys is Starknet, because Starknet is also getting at very cheap price. If you see, so I will show you. Starknet is also a good project. I wish to buy Starknet. Wish to buy some of Starknet coins, but I failed because there's a too overpriced and too overbought. So I'm just waiting for a good chance to get the dip, and that has come right now. So I'm going to add some Starknet. So let's see here at the bottom. Oh my, sorry. Okay, the high of Starknet is like this. It's the high. This is the support. It breaks. I'm currently full dump. So I think it's perform a pattern of pure flag pattern. If you can see, I'm seeing a bare flag pattern in it. So I think no bare flag. Sorry. I think there is a good time to buy this one. I buy it on the little bit on the Okay, buying stocknet. Okay, so buying stocknet in front of you guys. Oh, $72 per, so I'm not going to add much. Just $20 is enough, I think. Just $20 is enough. Uh, you can look at this one. It's $20. So I'm just going to buy it. Boom, we are done with it. So we are 8% up. So you can see I'm hiding the numbers, but we are 8% up from the terror of crash. So we are 8% up in our portfolio because we hold some of the strongest project on the Ton or Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. We hold some strongest projects, stacks. That's why we don't have 20 or 30% down in our portfolios. I don't invest too much money in meme coins. I just invest the money that I don't care that much. So that's the thing. $20 in stocknet. I will show you the transaction. Okay. You can see here. Here is the $20 in stocknet. Average buy price at 0.722. That's the thing. And let's see how we will go. Currently I'm unrealized PNL of $200. I think $200 in unrealized PNL. So let's see further how we will manage to perform. I just thinking that Bitcoin just go at $64,000 and to rig the all megas from there. But now currently sitting at almost 61,200. No that much bullish momentum in the market right now. Let's just rig the need a instant short squeeze. Okay, where we go at 62,000. Take grab more liquidity. We will go at 62,000. We will grab more liquidity right here. You can see no shorts has been open in the 24 hours. That's the fear they built in. 3 days liquidity. Almost if you can see the weekly liquidity, if you can see the weekly liquidity right here, and I will show you the thing. Okay, it's almost at $65,000. We are going to wreck $400 million of long in the market, and there is no room right here. 63, 62, 6200 million dollars. That's not too much, but this is the market. We can't predict it. But one thing is true, that Bitcoin always follows liquidity, and the major amount of liquidity still belongs to the upward side. So we will see a little bit. If we have to dump it, also we need something upwards liquidity. So at least $64,000 is the good area. that's the good area, I think, to correct all the short sellers who don't carry stop loss, who has a high leverage liquidations, high leverage long, so they're going to suffer in this short squeeze. Short squeeze is needed in the market. The only thing right now, I think the short squeeze is needed, much needed thing. $65,000 could be the resistance of Bitcoin for upcoming days. We can see the 65,000. We will go from here to $65,000, and then the mad dogs start uh, uh, selling their bitcoins to the refunding those bitcoins to the users, and the users are definitely going to be millionaire, and the millionaires gonna sell some books, some profit. So from $65,000 we can see again a selling pressure in the market. Whatever could happen, but use your stop losses. Make sure you will take your profits at right time, and that's the thing. You need to be careful in the market. Here I posted the thing that needs a bearish cross over in the dollar index, and it could be fall, and here I mentioned that Bitcoin is creating a bullish cross, and that's the thumbnail of our video. I close Solana at break even, almost 1% loss. That's nothing. That's a pretty good move. So here we can see that I predicted that possible bounce expected, DX right taking rejection from 106, and BTC daily moving average crossing. So SPX founded open bullish because dollar index could take rejection and Bitcoin will bounce a little bit. So that's the thing gonna happen, and that's the thing which happened in the market. So you can see here I feel that the BTC dominance, as you can see here, I tell you that BTC dominance is going to fall significantly, and after this break, after BTC dominance break this area, I will show you this, and this is the area BTC dominance is broken, and after, sorry, 1 minute. So after this area BTC dominance is break that area, and then it falls significantly downwards, and another BTC is again crashing, and I think this could be the rejection from where I've looking. Still in the market, I feel that this will go like this, do thing like this, and going to get downwards. If mad gold selling pressures comes too high, or SEC will bomb blast any news on Bitcoin, or we will see the option expiry on 28, almost 25 now. So that could be the problem scenario with Bitcoin. Again, mentioning that I am still active on my long. I don't exited because funding rates are too low, so I don't cost it anymore. So that's why I'm holding the long, but it could be dangerous if we break below this area of $59,000 in the daily time frame. I'm waiting for this break, and then I will close my long and just wait to react in market. I will do DCA. I will do DCA around this area of $52,800 to $50,000 or $49,900. I will do DCA and I will be happy there for new opportunities. So for current note, I'm not thinking about it. But you actually look at this chart, you can see the channel we break out here. Channel we break out here, and we are still consolidating. If weekly closing above this area could be really bullish for the Bitcoin. If we close weekly above this area, above this trend line, almost $63,000, $64,000, going to be really bullish for the market. Let's see how it will go, because we are in a regression channel of continuous upward momentum in BTC. If you can see here, whenever BTC has go lower, we get the support of this trend line right here, and we have the middle regression line there. BTC either drop or either bounce. If it breaks, it's gonna bounce. If you can see here, BTC just break this line and go lower and lower, and again I'm showing you, I can show you in this daily time frame, so you can look at right here that this line is going to be the most important thing for the. So if you can see here, we break here and we continue to down. We break like here and we go much higher above this. So that's the things. So that's the things we're looking at. Currently, so many people talking about that. Talking about that, the BTC will go at $75,000. Some are saying that the BTC will go $30,000, $20,000, $15,000. Some kind of niggas are telling that BTC will also go at $10,000 for ETF selling pressure, but I'm not thinking yet currently. It may, because it's a crypto. You just don't say that it's never gonna happen. If you ask me 2 weeks before and that Bitcoin will break $72,000 and it will go at much higher at $84,000 or $90,000, I will say you yes. And uh, and and also you ask me few in before 2 weeks that Bitcoin will go at $60,000 or $59,000 or $58,000. I will say that because the sentiments are not looking like that, but in crypto sentiments could change drastically and it could be cautious for a trader, and that's the thing in crypto. You cannot just open a long and you will be like nothing, and you will regret it later. So many things. Currently not getting any trade right now. If I get it, I am going to open in front of you, in front of camera, so that I can show you that I really open it. I'm not telling, I'm not just giving the advice. And I don't advise someone to open the trade that I'm going to open, because I have a proper risk management structure in my mind. If I have the control, and I know that if this is going not if this not is going to happen, I will definitely close it. Or if you gonna close, if you wanna take my trades, you need to take it on your risk, and you should. If you want to take risk, please take risk with stop loss. Without stop loss, don't trade. And I don't recommend you also that don't get if anyone gives you trade without stop loss, don't take it by anyone, because it's not good. You will get flushed out throughout the market, and you don't realize it at all. So that's the things. Let's see. Let's see if we have any trade or not. Let's open ENS. Let's open ENS. Nothing looks like good. Anything is doing nothing but points. I think we are at resistance like this area, so it could fall. I think it could fall from this area. If you look at closely, it could fall right now. Short scenario is looking at ENS, but it's not the right time to short right here. Just mistakes. Okay, so STX is looking good right now, but it's found. I think it's not found value. We don't get that much move if you long from here. Give me 1 second, guys. there's no current active trade right now, so I'm just finding some of trades. So BTC is currently going good. So I'm just going to show my long position on BTC on camera. So let me show you guys. I'm in currently loss of, let me see how much currently I'm losing of it. Okay, 80%. I'm currently loss of 80%. So here is both trades I'm in loss. So almost I am lost in 310% in loss. So let me show you guys. Look at this one. How much I'm losing. I have entire position at $63,000, or I will change it. I will change this. I will $63,000. 63,800. Sorry. Okay, 63,800 would be my entire position present. You can see here funding rates are still negative, but I'm in loss here at $85 and 2.7 dollars for market fee, and I'm holding this trade almost from first June, and it's now almost 6th June. Sorry, 6th June. I'm holding this trade from 6th June. I've entered in my journal, so you can see that I'm holding this from 6th June, and this is almost 19 days. Oh yeah, 19 days. From 19 days I'm holding this trade, and still I've getting the fees of 225 INR, almost $2.7. Just $2.7 means how much selling pressure, how much short sellers are present in the market. They are just selling. That's why the funding rates keeps negative, and that's the good thing for us. let's see we can find anything another. Solana is pumping like crazy at 138. I'm still regretting it. Still regretting it, but it's a market. You have to do or die. So still okay. I'll be in profit of almost $10 or $20. It's okay. It's okay. And let's LTC Litecoin. Litecoin is still down. Well, Ethereum. What's about Ethereum? My Ethereum is not pumping like crazy. So Ethereum is bouncing back in this area. I will sell my Ethereum at 3,550 almost here. I will taking my stop loss on Ethereum. I will build another long above this area. So let's see. For now I'm going to exit it because it's too much days, or I will wait, or maybe I can wait for a day, because next week Ethereum ETF is gonna come out, and maybe one scenario will work out that Bitcoin is dumping because Mad Gogs and dominance could significantly dump, and the other hand altcoins could start pumping because Ethereum ETF is gonna live, new money is going to come in, and that's why Ethereum is going up, or and at the same time Bitcoin dominance falling, then we can see good scenarios in alts. So that's the thing, and let's see. Altcoin is bouncing right back. We have a good chance to buy and support, but we don't put much trades down the order because we are already in loss in 2 trades, so we don't push more trades. But let's see. I think that's the retest and like here. Athena is been balanced. Athena is looking weak actually. In 1 hour. Sorry, in 1 hour. Okay, it's in 1 hour. Athena is looking weak. You can short it right here with the stop. So I'm giving this trade, but I'm not taking it right now because it's not coming at my price. So you can short Athena from this area. And the risk reward, do your own research. You can short it from this area until down. First TP should be here, right here. Or you can take pick. So this is just weak field right here. XRP has been transferred, some whale alert. Ton is looking bullish. I can plan ton for long above this area, I think. Let me put this in a table. Okay. Above this area. If you have to long top, you can walk above this area, but still could be choppy because this is a good support which Tom haven't breaken in big BTC dump at soft, because when BTC starts dumping Tom at this price, and it's keep dumping, and it's bring its support like here, and again start carrying its momentum forward. can buy here for this stop loss, this area stop loss, and closing below 4 I'll try to get trade at 4 hour, because that's pretty good for you. You get 4 hours closing above this and put your stop loss of closing above this. Simple trade for now. Let's look at Ondo. Ondo. Ondo is BlackRock is buying Ondo like crazy, and that's why it's not dumping right now. If you can see, bills are accumulating Ondo within this area, I think. Correct, okay. Bills are accumulating Ondo within this area, and still so bullish. This could be above this area, but not recommending this trade because it's pumped too high. Ethereum is bouncing back again. Oh my goodness. BTC is bouncing. Thank God. Thank God. BTC is bouncing. I think BTC go at least for 700. I think I'm going to end at 745, 700 or 800, but mostly 700. So let's see. So I think it's the right time to end this stream, and thanks for watching, thanks for being here. So that's much. So that's much for this stream. Maybe we'll meet tomorrow. So it's time to end. So that's much for this video. That's much for this stream. So thank you for watching. Until tomorrow, bye bye. See you.